Yeah, guys, we're back again with a new video. I'm sorry, guys, I haven't been making any video this past few weeks. I'm sorry, I was doing fast, I was busy, but I'm here now with some good tutorials that I think you guys will like. Yeah, we got it here. It's like the rotator hand of the player. Bam, 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 bam. You see hands just rolling all over the place. So yeah, guys, I know you like those stuff, so guys, just please subscribe and share and like my videos. We're trying to get slowly going up there, but it's going now. As long as it's moving, it's going. So yeah, I'm gonna clear off all these. So yeah, now guys, all we have here is just a player with his walking abilities and so on and so forth. Yeah. So what I'm gonna do now is create the hand, which I already drawn with I think it was a short one. So I already drawn a long time ago. Not important, but important. So I'm gonna post this down here. Nothing sticks, it just fly up there. Let's go here and just create. I'm gonna create some and move. I'm just gonna say at the beginning of the scene. Oh no, we're gonna go into player, go into edit points, and just what? I just create something here and just call this arm. Yes, and 40, 44, 44. There's something in the middle right here, and apply. And make sure you hit share it all to your animation. Share points it same points for all animations. So, yeah. Now we're gonna go into hand here. I'm going to edit points and just move everything down to the bottom, like to the bottom of his hand, like where he's gonna hook into the player. On everything. And then it's gonna say position the hand at the X position of player um and the Y position of player. You guys must already know how to do this to how much video I did this in. What do we name it? Arm? Yeah, arm, arm. And let's play until you go here. Okay, so now it's stuck and we're moving our our cursor and nothing is rotating. So now we're going to say it's very simple how we move. We're going to say rotate and increase. Wait, rotate towards the position of mouse cursor at X. and cursor of the Y in a 360 degrees angle. So yeah guys, you can now see bam, 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 bam. And now when left, I see, when mouse left primary is pressed down, so we got bullets here. So we're gonna go and 8 points, create can't cannon. Let's go cannon. Cannon, and left primary mouse button is down. Create bullet at the exposition of gun and the Y position of hand. Why did I it's going gun? Let's go cannon um cannon and move. Edgeable depends on the angle. Depends on the angle of and permanently at the speed of 350. I just put this to once. Wait, once, yeah. So there we go guys, we got our game. And we're on jumping, and yeah, it's okay. And I want to make sure you guys do this as well. You don't have to do it, I don't remember, but make sure you guys just put the yellow or the red one down to where the blue one is as well. So yeah guys, that's it. Thank you for subscribing, liking the channel. I hope you liked the video. Hope I wasn't too dumb or not anything and stuff. So yeah guys, thank you.